Let's begin. This is the story of Meena Sharma. She is a simple housewife from a small town in India. She wears a sari every day, cooks delicious food for her family, and spends most of her time at home taking care of her children. But there was one thing Meena was always afraid of: speaking English. Every month, her children's school hosted a parent-teacher meeting. Meena's husband, Rajesh, used to attend them because he could speak English confidently. Meena would stay at home, saying, "What will I say there? I can't speak English." But one day, everything changed. It was a sunny morning in August. Meena's son, Rohan, came home with a note from school. It said, "Parent-teacher meeting on Saturday. Please attend." This time, Rajesh had to go on a work trip. He looked at Meena and said, "Meena, you'll have to attend the meeting this time. I won't be here." Meena froze. Her hands trembled. "But I don't know English," she said. Rajesh smiled. "You know Rohan better than anyone. Just go there and speak from your heart. And speak slowly. Use simple words. I believe in you." Meena didn't sleep that night. She kept thinking, how will I talk? What if I make a mistake? What if the teacher laughs at me? But the next day, she took a step forward. She opened YouTube, searched how to speak English for parent-teacher meeting, and found a channel called the English Speaking Tree. She clicked subscribe. She started watching videos every day. She noted down useful lines like, "Good morning. I am Rohan's mother. He is a good boy but sometimes gets distracted. I want him to do better in English. How can I help him at home?" With every video, she practiced in front of the mirror. Slowly, in just 15 days, she began to feel something new: confidence. She started using simple English at home. "Rohan, finish your homework. I am cooking rice. Please keep your books in the bag." She even recorded her voice and listened to her pronunciation. Day by day, she was improving. On Saturday, Meena wore her nicest sari and took a deep breath. Her heart was beating fast as she entered the school. She looked around, parents chatting in English, some smiling confidently, some speaking in perfect grammar. She walked slowly into the classroom. The teacher smiled and said, "Yes, please come in. You are Rohan's mother." Meena said, "Yes, good morning, ma'am. I am Rohan's mother." The teacher nodded. "Rohan is a smart boy, but he talks a lot in class." Meena smiled nervously and replied, "Yes, ma'am, I know. I will talk to him. I want he focus in class." The teacher said gently, "He needs to improve his reading. You can help him read small English stories at home." Meena said slowly, "Okay, I will. I read with him 10 minutes daily." "Thank you, ma'am." The teacher smiled. "Thank you for coming." Meena came out of the classroom, her heart full of joy. She had done it. She had spoken English. Not perfectly, but with courage. When she reached home, she told Rajesh everything. Rajesh was proud. Rohan hugged her and said, "Mummy, you are the best." From that day on, Meena started learning English every day. Not for anyone else, but for herself. She watched YouTube lessons from the English Speaking Tree, listened to podcasts, and practiced in daily life. She now says, "Please give me 1 cup of tea. I want to go to the market. I am learning English to talk to teachers." And every month, she now attends the school meeting with confidence, with pride, and with a smile. With every new meeting, she prepares a few new lines, practices them for days, and surprises the teachers with her improvement. She says, "Every month is a new chance to learn something. I may be a housewife, but now I am also a learner. I am learning for myself, for my son, and for my confidence. Practice material for parent-teacher meetings. Here are a few simple English phrases you can practice before your next meeting. Good morning. I am a child's name S mother father. How is she doing in class? I want to know how I can help him bahar at home. She likes reading and drawing. Sometimes she finds math difficult. We will try to improve at home. Thank you for your support. Practice these lines daily. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. And slowly, you will speak with more confidence, just like Meena. Dear listeners, this was not just Meena's story. This can be your story too. You don't need to speak perfect English. You need to start with small steps, simple words, and daily practice. If you are a housewife, a parent, or someone who feels nervous about speaking English, remember Meena. Speak from the heart. Be proud. And keep learning. Thank you for listening to the English Speaking Tree. This is Jeevan Verma, signing off. Please share this story with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and never stop believing in yourself. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking.